You've worked hard to keep your yard looking gorgeous all season long. Now that winter is fast approaching, you need to start prepping for the cooler weather. Follow along as we show you simple steps to ensuring a healthy yard next spring. Here's how. Let's start with your shrubs. Keep them safe through the winter with a shrub cover. Bonus, they already come fully assembled for easy installation. Another great idea, installing tree guards around young trees or small saplings. They'll protect the tender bark from freezing rain, snow, and hungry animals. And for pretty blooms next year, it's important to prune your perennials down to ground level. For falling leaves, make cleanup easier and faster with a leaf blower. Or you can simply use a rake. Now you can move on to mowing. Once temperatures start to dip, you can help grass thrive by lowering your mower blade and by giving grass cycling a try. Simply leaving grass clippings on your lawn can help the soil become strong and nutrient-rich. You can also mow over the leaves for the same effect. Next up, aerating, which allows air, seed, and moisture to get below the surface and stimulate new growth. Winterizing your lawn is a must, so apply a nutrient-rich winter fertilizer to help ensure thicker root growth. A little tip, take care not to over-fertilize as it can cause damage to your grass. Overseeding, however, is a great idea, so seed generously for a healthy lawn next year. Finally, once you've raked all the leaves, you can pile them into bags or use them as mulch for your garden. Maintaining a healthy yard is a lot of work, but with a little fall prep, you can ensure a beautiful spring.